So my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality Dofollow backlink. So the website name is communityalign.com. So this is a website URL and this is the dashboard. So main thing, this site is highly related for the health industry and the pharma industry. So if you are in the same, so this is a very relevant backlink for you, so you can create. And so now we can start. Before that we can research something about that website. So according to HREF, the domain rating is 81 and according to Moj, the domain authority is 66 and the spam score is only 1%. And according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 132.3k monthly visits and mostly traffic from USA, China, India, Vietnam, Canada and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you're wanting to increase crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of countries, then must you guys will create your backlink on this site. So now we can start. Before that, if you are new on this channel, so please you can hit the subscribe and like button. So simply you can see top of the right corner there is a join or sign in icon, profile icon. So you can click on this and you guys will click on the create a new account, and there you guys will add your first name, your last name, your email address, and the community username is Jobma and the company is Jobma, country is, you can select your country, Nista, and the city is Mintonka. Then after that you can acknowledge the terms and conditions and you can click on the submit button. Please accept an email within next 15 minutes to verify account. Thank you again for the registering and welcome. Okay, so they will send you a verification email. So the expected time is 15 minutes. So okay. This video is sponsored by Intensely. So every businesses should get listed on Intensely. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO. Quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlink to your sites. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable Dofollow link. So you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your businesses plus 10 of your clients. So I received a verification email and you will see, you can click on this, click on the link icon and you will verify your profile. And after that we can fill, then after that you can choose your password and you can click on the create account button, and there we can add our email address to we can access this account, and after that they can send a verification code over our email. So their login process is very high, and you can click on the verify button and you can acknowledge the terms and condition and you can click on the join now button. Search by tag currently unavailable, we apologize for inconvenient. Edit profile button, yeah, so there is a edit profile button. So now we can optimize our profile details. So from there you guys will change your profile picture. So let me upload profile picture. So and there you can add your company description. So company description is this what we have created, and I wanting to insert my website URL on this keyword. So you can select your keyword and you can click on the insert, and you can add your website URL and you can click on the OK button. Once you guys will complete, then after that you can see there is a technology option. So you can select any technology. You can select anyone and after that you can add your main targeted keyword. So my main targeted keyword is top interview management system. So this is the title, and once you guys will complete these things, so you can click on the save profile button, and you will see this is the backlink, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow. So you guys will see this is the 100% do follow backlink with your targeted keyword. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So we have created a very high quality do follow backlink. Okay, and okay, in the description section I can show you, you can see this is the backlink with your targeted keyword with do follow, and there is a option that we can explore gallery and the blogs. So try another search terms. Okay, I guess this is not working right now. So you can explore these features after you will create your profile. After your profile should be going to mature, you guys will going to explore these things, and for now you can create your profile backlink on this site. Okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.